Hello, good evening. This is Darth Vader, here to introduce my brand new car dealership, Imperial Motors. We have the finest selection of pre owned and new automobiles. Yes, a fine selection indeed. That's right, Lord Vader. Yes, listen to me now. You must come down and buy a car from me, you fools.
Okay. Yes, sir. Do what he says. Sure.
Yes, included with every one of your new vehicle purchases. You shall get this here Imperial Droid, a free mechanic for every new car purchase. Yes, he's quite a new model. He can work on classics, hot rods, and imports. He's a fine mechanic at best. That's right, Imperial Motors, downtown Chicago, Illinois. The Death Star. Yes.
Lord Vader, we're on the Titarian shuttle right now. I'm sorry.
You fool. You underestimate the power of used car sales. Listen to me, you fools. You will come buy a car from me. You will, or you will die. Join the dark side. Join our team of happy customers at Imperial Motors. You'll be glad you did. Thank you very much. Have a splendid evening.